Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. And if you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit our YouTube and Facebook channels. You can just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, leave a like and subscribe. What we have here in Raytown, this is going to be kind of our, what I like to call our full scope foundation repair. This is where we will straighten the foundation wall back to vertical, install King Piers to raise the footing back up to its correct level elevation, install wall braces to keep the wall vertical, and then repair all of the visible and accessible cracks with epoxy injection and polyurethane. So we are just getting started on the excavation portion of this project. That's where we will excavate down to the footing to relieve that pressure off of the outside wall. That way, when we come in here to straighten it, we're just pushing against air, because it's a lot easier to push against air than it is against earth. So most of next week is going to be doing the excavation to relieve that pressure down to the footing. And then we have 4 King Pier IIs we're going to be installing underneath the footing. And then we have on the interior 7 steel H-beam wall braces we're going to be installing once the wall is pushed back to vertical. So lot of digging to get through next week. We got a short week because of the holiday. Should be able to get all that finished up by the end of next Friday, and then the following week should go very quickly in getting the wall straightened and braced, piered, and all the cracks fixed. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, leave a like and subscribe. You can go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.